In life, so many people struggle with decision making, including you and me. So that's why today I want to talk about how you can make decisions and live your life. So I want you to get yourself ready mentally, physically. If you like, you can get a pen, or you may decide to watch the video more often, okay, so that the lesson will stay inside of you. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, like I told you earlier, today we're going to be looking at decision making, how to make decisions and live your life. You see, the life we live is all about choices and decision we make. And this life is like a road. It's like a road. We have crooked road, we have smooth road, we have long road, we have short road, we have straight road, we have narrow road. So that is how the journey of life is. It is not a one-way traffic. You're gonna have a stop, you're gonna have a junction, you're gonna have a bus stop, you're gonna have, even there are times you will feel like you've disappeared. You are in a ghost mode. I'm in a ghost mode. Nobody will know about you. I mean, you just want to be left alone. Also, in this journey of life, there are also different paths, different routes. And in these routes, we have routes that will lead you to happiness. We have routes that leads to sadness. Some routes will lead you to riches, while some will lead you to poverty. Some will lead you to different vocation. You want to be single, just like we have priests who don't get married, or you want to get married. All right, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a businessman. So we'll have different routes in life. But the question is, how do you decide which one is? As in, how do you decide which one to go for? How do you decide? Especially when you find yourself in a crossroad with different options to choose from. And the funniest part is, none of this road is guaranteed. You are not guaranteed of success when you take any of this road. You never know where a road will lead you until you take it. This is one of the most important things you need to realize about life. Also, understand that loving someone with all your heart all the time does not guarantee that they are going to love you back. Like I usually said, there is no guarantee. The one thing you have power over is the decision you make in life and how you will react when the outcome shows up. So right now, I want to ask you a question. If you know that a particular decision or a particular road that you're about to take is the wrong one, would you go along to taking that journey, or will you go along with that decision? Perhaps not. I don't see reason why you're going to decide on something you know that's going to get you lost. So that is why I keep saying that there is no guarantee with any decision you make. A decision can get you lost, while another decision you make can become an adventure to you, or possibly open more road for you. So as you can see, it's all a matter of perspective. Now you have a choice of being a lost traveler, an accidental tourist of life. But take caution so you don't decide haphazardly. Taking risk is not about being careless and stupid. So however, here are 4 pointers that could help you make a better decision, especially when you find yourself in a crossroad. Number 1 is this: get as many information as possible about your decision. Just like a news reporter would ask 5 W's before making his or her report, and some of those W's are like what, why, who, when, and where. All right. So, what's the situation? These are the kind of questions the reporter may ask. What's the situation? Who are the people involved? When did this happen? Where is it heading? Why are you in this situation? So these are the kind of question you need to ask yourself, okay, to get as much information as possible about the situation. Now, oftentimes most people don't decide because they don't have enough information about their situation. That's why they don't make decision. They remain at a particular stage. So the second one is you identify and create option. What options do you have on ground? Yeah, there are situations you find yourself, they have too many options for you to choose from. However, there are ones that don't have such options. This is the time for you to use your creative imagination. You need to this time you have to create options for yourself. And when you've created this option, you can now choose. But if you find it difficult choosing on your own, you can talk to your friend. Allow them to help you make decision. But then at the end, you are the one who is going to make this decision yourself. Don't let anybody decide for you, because the consequences is going to be on you. So that is why you need to make the decision yourself. So let's move to the third one. The third one is this: weigh the pros and cons, the disadvantages and the what advantages of the decision you are about to make. So this will help you to gain more insight about the decision you are about to make. Okay, so now let's go to the fourth one. And the fourth one is trust yourself and make the decision. Trust yourself and decide. Okay, this is time for you to trust yourself. So what you need to do is you choose, you decide, and believe that you have chosen the right option. Also, be ready to face the consequences, because they are going to come with consequences, whether good or bad. The decision you made might take you to a promised land or a land of problem. Just know that you've chosen to live your life instead of remaining a bystander to your own life. Whether it is the right decision or not, only time will tell. But don't regret it, whatever the outcome. Instead, learn from it, and remember that you always have the chance to make a better decision in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video and have learned one or two things from it. Kindly go to the comment section. Let me know one or two things that you've learned from this video. Also share this video, because it might help someone who is struggling with making decisions. Till I come your way again. Bye.